some dinosaur footprints. They don't know exactly. There's some meat-eating bipedal dinosaur.
That's like, here's the
Well,
first fossil. Wait.
here you could touch a sauropod's rib cage.
Feels like a dog bone.
It's stone. It's not real. It's bone that turned into stone. Is Allosaurus?
Looked on August 27th, I think it was, 1964. Those were the first things I saw.
Deinonychus.
The new Deinonychus, one that I created.
This is what they thought dinosaurs looked like in the old days.
What we have concluded is this animal walked on two toes on each foot. Used the other toe as a weapon.
This ancient mammal. Well, the Eocene wasn't an era. The Eocene was a conical lodge. This one. Snake. Ow. Ah. All right. Mammoth. It's a duck-billed dinosaur. This is a little horse. Wow, so these early primates were from this area. That's weird. spend its time in the Bighorn Basin.
About 55.5 million years ago, there's a period of time that is right at the very beginning of the Eocene epoch. It's early part of the age of mammals. It's after dinosaurs had gone extinct.
It's one of the few places in the world that actually preserves this interval for entropy. When was global warming? That way to try to
So, like, and they went from here to Africa and everything.
warming.
They must have been using fossils.
Yeah.
Thousands of years.
55 million years ago.
Or hundreds of
They
thousands
definitely did not.
Little horses and little deer. This is the answer of all the corner mammals. I wasn't.
And in the daytime, they rolled up their beds and stored them in a little room in the room, so the large room in the house could be used for a schoolroom. The furniture consisted of cracker boxes and mending
What's that?
It's a dress.
Mrs. Robertson, where are those to watch the train?
Roll through Worland for the first time, like it was an event. Like, I have to wear this dress, a special dress, to watch the train roll in. It's because they didn't have TV back then, which was also invented near here in Idaho. Commemorative spike. Look at this little log cabin here. No. These don't really fit together. That's gonna shear. It's gonna start a wagon going across the west. Is that a goat? Hi, goat. Say hi to your mom for me. Nice beard. (1892) County War.
Oh, this is like Wild West stuff. They believed the law could not adequately control the problem, so they were like, we're going to do it.
And the U.S. president sent an army to take the group into custody for protection. Who was the president in 1892? It was before McKinley, wasn't it? Dream of the 1890s. All right, now I think we saw everything. We could get on the road to. This one's funny. It's like an AI Irish cowboy. See, there's a pronghorn antelope. They're more closely related to the pronghorn antelope, as pictured here, are more closely related to giraffes than to actual antelope. Is that everything? We could get back on the road? Anybody need a bathroom before we go? All right.
I have some jackalope Lego.
Jackalope Lego, you want that?
For me.